I was talking with a student the other day who had recently taken an English exam, and I asked her when she'd get her results, and she replied, in 2 weeks later. And then, realizing that didn't sound great, she changed it to 2 weeks away. Now, because of her confusion, I've created this lesson so that you won't make those mistakes, and you'll always know how to answer the question, when will it happen? Hi, I'm Steve. Let's do this. Let's start with the use of later when talking in the future. And later simply means not now. Using it on its own is a great and casual way of replying to the question, when will it happen? For example,
When are you going shopping?
I'm going later. Now this tells you two things. First, the person is going shopping, and second, they're not going right at this exact time. So used on its own, it's really useful. However, it doesn't give you a time when the thing you're asking about is going to happen. This person could be going shopping in 5 minutes, or they could be going shopping next week. However, if we try to add that extra information about the time in when we use the word later, something strange happens. It sounds unnatural. First, you have to add the time when something has happened, and then you have to add the time when the thing you're being asked about will happen. You see, it all starts getting really awkward. For example,
When are you going shopping?
I'll finish work at 5 and then 2 hours later I'll go shopping. This is grammatically correct. However, it does sound a little strange. So let's see what else we can use. We could use the word away, which is the time something happens from right now. For example,
When are you going on holiday?
my holidays are 2 weeks away. This is good English, and it gives a feeling of excitement, a sort of countdown to the event. Listen to this. The start of the race is 5 minutes away. See, it feels exciting. Of course, there are phrases that are a little more formal, and you often hear British natives answer the when question like this.
When do you get your new car?
I get it in a week's time. This is really common and very natural sounding. So what's the best reply my student could have used when I asked her when she was going to get her results? And this is the easiest and most natural sounding.
When are you going to get your exam results?
In 2 weeks. It really is that easy. In and then a time scale. In 2 weeks. In 5 minutes. In a year. Try using this phrase to answer these questions.
When are you going to bed? When are you starting your new job? When are you subscribing to this channel?
There are new videos coming out on this channel every week, so don't miss out. Click on the bus to subscribe, and then click on this link for another lesson that's guaranteed to improve your English. I'll see you next time.